Here's Payphone by Maroon 5.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You said it's too late to make it, but I said it's too late to try. And in that times that you wasted, all of my bridges burned down. I wasted my nights, you turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time where we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. Send me back on tomorrow. If what got yesterday, give you my love to borrow. But you just give it away. Can't expect you to be fine. Don't expect you to care. Know I've said it before, but all of the bridges burned out. I've wasted my nights. You turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of the change I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after didn't exist, I would still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Now I'm at a payphone. I'm at a payphone trying to call home all of my change I